And Rajbhavan Goa started Vaman Vriksha Kala Udyan, also popularly known as Bonsai Garden, initially on the lawns of Rajbhavan Goa with 72 potted trees. Now Rajbhavan's collection has gone up to 1008 bonsai plants, and soon it will be one of the biggest among the official administrative institutions in India. Bronze statues of Acharya Charaka, who is known as father of Ayurveda, and Sage Sushruta, known as father of surgery, are made and installed in the launch gardens of the Rajbhavan. We are also going to display the panels giving the detailed information and also showing the instrument used by Sage Sushruta during that time. Inauguration of these statues of father of Ayurveda and the father of surgery will be inaugurated tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. in the gracious hands of Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Jagdeep Dhankarji, and in the distinguished presence of Honorable Governor of Goa and Honorable Chief Minister of Goa.